Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. In the previous part of the series, we were adding colors to widgets. But besides colors, you can also add images. The VertexInstruction class, from which classes like rectangle or ellipse inherit, has the source property which you can use to add an image. In the Slugrace app, there's only going to be one background image that we have to add to the settings screen. Look at the final version of the screen. There's the image with the silhouettes of all four slugs in the players area. Let's add it now. Now, first of all, let's find the players area in the settings.kv file. It should look like so. The players. There are some canvas instructions, the one that sets the color and the one that draws the rounded rectangle. Now, in order to add an image, we need some shape to draw it on, like a rectangle. In this case, it doesn't really matter whether we first draw the rectangle with the image and then the rounded rectangle, or the other way around, because the two graphical elements don't overlap anywhere. However, it would matter if, for example, the rectangle with the image were bigger. Just to keep things orderly, let's add the rectangle with the image before the instructions that we already have. Let's just make sure the rectangle has the same position and size as the box layout it's drawn on. So let's add the instruction over here above the color instruction we have. Now pause size are set to self-pause self-size, so the same position and size as the box layout. And the image we're going to use is called allslugs.png. You can find it in the assets folder. Now let's save this and run the program. Let's resize the window slightly. So, as you can see, the image of the slugs is very crisp with vivid colors. As you look at the final version of the screen, you can see that the colors are somewhat faded. We could have handled this in an image editor before we even added the asset to the assets folder, but we can still do it here, so as it seems to be easier and faster to do than the former, let's do it. Now, if you change the alpha value, the transparency and thus vividness of the image will change. To make this happen, we'll add another color instruction before the rectangle instruction and set the color to 111.4. So let's change the alpha value to make the colors faded. Here, before the rectangle, let's add another color instruction. And this should ensure that the image is faded. So let's save and run again. Good. Now the image is faded just like in the final version. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.